Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.